Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by finalizing the PDF and creating a DRM account. This is the only reliable route to prevent printing. First, flatten forms and embed fonts so layout won't break in the secure viewer. Then sign up for a digital rights management service that supports no print policies. Once done, upload your finalized PDF to the DRM dashboard and label the file clearly. Make sure your master copy remains offline or in encrypted storage so you can reissue versions later. Now you configure the protection policy. Select the uploaded PDF and choose the explicit disable printing permission. Also require authenticated access so the viewer enforces policy tied to user accounts rather than relying on PDF flags alone. Configure complementary controls to set expiration dates, dynamic watermarks, device or IP limits, and whether offline viewing is allowed. These measures stop casual printing and screen export. Make sure to test the policy with a zero privilege test account to verify print is blocked. Finally, distribute via the DRM portal or send secure links that require login. Do not attach the PDF to regular email. Once recipients access the file through the secure viewer, verify printing is disabled by attempting a print with a test account across typical devices and browsers. If printing still appears possible, force users to update or reinstall the secure viewer app, clear caches, and reapply the policy. These steps resolve most enforcement gaps caused by outdated viewer software or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.